Okay. Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Kwan.
My name is Mia.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
I'm Transistor.
Where do you come from?
I come from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
I live in Hanoi.
Okay. How do you usually spend time with your friends?
I usually play sports with my friends.
How often do you see your friends?
I see my friend every day.
I see my friends every day.
What is your best friend like?
My best friend is funny.
My best friend is very funny.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met him at my home.
I met him at the school.
What are your friends in school like?
They are funny.
They are very smart.
What kind of films do you like best?
I like animated film.
Animated films best.
I like action films best.
When do you watch films? When?
I watch film in the evening.
I watch films in the evening.
How often do you go to the cinema?
I go to the cinema once a year.
I go to the cinema twice a year.
Where do you usually watch films?
I usually watch film at the cinema.
I usually watch films at home.
Who do you watch films with?
I watch films with my friend.
I watch films with my dad.
Do you watch films in your bedroom?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
So we have some interesting places in town. Park, library, school, airport, and cafe. Ask him which one does he prefer.
Which display?
Which of these places do you prefer?
I prefer the park because I can play with my friends there.
Which of these places do you prefer?
Which of these places
Do you prefer?
I prefer a library because I can read a comic book.
Okay. Do you think a park is a nice place to visit?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you think an airport is an interesting place?
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Do you enjoy going to cafes with your friends?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you think museums are boring?
No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Which of these places do you prefer?
I prefer a library.
I prefer the park.
Okay. Do you prefer meeting your friends in a park or at a cafe?
I prefer meeting my friends at a cafe
Okay, why?
because I can drink a juice.
I prefer meeting my friends in the park because I can play with them there.
Which is more fun to visit, a library or a museum?
I prefer museum
Why?
because I can go with my friend.
I prefer museum because I can see
Exhibits
exhibits
there.
here.
Okay, thank you both. Goodbye.